Hey, what's up? I'm Rajiv and you're watching the Peak Times. Today we are going to talk about how to create your own Telegram channels, groups, and grow them exponentially. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial wherein you will learn how to do the growth hack of Telegram channels. There are practically numerous reasons why you should be joining Telegram and why you should be using Telegram over WhatsApp or any other social media, messaging app basically. So Telegram offers you encrypted messaging, which are secured, unlike WhatsApp. And also Telegram offers many other features like file transfer and then secret chats and so many various stickers, Telegram bots, but companies are using it for so many reasons: marketing, customer engagement, reaching students. As you know, there are a lot of students on Telegram also who come here for getting books or study material or to discuss, with other aspirants. Then there are bot API integration, which makes the work very easy, or it assists companies, you can say. So AI and task automation is one of the things why companies are preferring to use Telegram. Data analysis is something also that can be done with Telegram. Also, you can see that, uh, you know, 3 crore monthly active users were already there of Telegram in September 2019. This is a report that was published in a newspaper, and you can see the install penetration rate of the Telegram application is increasing every month. So it is bringing a lot of opportunity in terms of getting more users. If Telegram has more users, your channel is going to have more subscribers. More your more people will come and view your channel and subscribe to it. Telegram conducted world's second largest non-governmental ICO in 2018, so they got $1.7 billion, wherein they are going to invest this money in bringing their own cryptocurrency, which is going to be named as Gram. And they are expecting by January 1st, 2022, they are expecting 1 billion monthly active users of Telegram. Another news that I came across just some 2, 3 days ago, there is a Russian advertising network which claims that they sold products products worth 1.1 billion rubles, which is a lot of money, and they actually exceeded this sales amount which they were doing it on YouTube. So quite many reasons why you should be switching to Telegram. Individuals are using it for secure messaging and the several other features like file transfer, which doesn't happen in WhatsApp, and secret chats and so many other things. Oh yes, as you can see here that in India only in 2019, monthly average users, Android users, were 3 crore. So it's a very huge number. So now, as we have come down to why you should be creating a Telegram channel. So now we are going to talk about how to create your Telegram channel and what steps are involved in doing so. So first of all, you need to be careful in selecting the topic. The topic itself should be unique. Well, if you want to if you want more subscribers and probably you want to compete with anyone, then your topic should be unique. Else it doesn't matter. Whatever you like to do, you can go ahead with that topic. For example, if you want to share your dog's picture in your Telegram channel, nobody can stop you. You can still create a channel where other dog lovers can come and see your um, dog's picture, and they would love to do that. So now, when we have selected the topic, what your channel is going to be about, the next thing that we need to decide is on the name of your channel and the URL, the public URL. That link is very important because that link can be shared on other social media platforms where you can invite people to join your Telegram channel through that link. So it is a public URL which you don't get that kind of public URL in WhatsApp. So what you need to do here is whatever name you are going to select, it should try to try to select a name that represents what you're going to post in your channel. Although you can also, choose to create a unique name for yourself. Like I have created the Peep Times, and I have also kept the URL the Peep Times. Why I'm doing that? Because I also have a website, a podcast, Instagram, Facebook, with the same name, the Peep Times. So I have selected this name. Officially, Telegram does not have any catalog wherein they can show how many groups or what all kind of groups or channels they have on their platform. But they have an inbuilt feature, which is global search. So what people do, they go on that, click on that magnifying glass which you get on the home page of your application. You click on it and you write the keyword of the channel that you want to join. So let's suppose dogs picture. So if somebody writes dogs picture, so any channel that has the URL dogs picture, or it is in their name dogs picture, or and it has good content or number of subscribers, then that channel starts to show in that global search result, in top three result. So that is where you should intend to bring your channel when you are creating. So your name should be unique, your URL should be unique, and it should be the same. The next thing that we're going to talk about is logo and the bio of the channel. These two are very important because when somebody clicks on your link or the username of your channel, so when they click on it, your channel, description shows up. So there they read the information that what your channel is all about. So try to write what your channel is all about. So if it is about technology hacks or about some guides that or some tutorials that you share, so you should mention that in the channel bio. Also, other examples can be like dog's picture. So you can write, I share my dog's picture every day or weekly. So write that kind of thing in the bio and create a very nice logo for your channel. Why logo is important? Another aspect to it, because when users scroll through the Telegram homepage, they see, several channels and groups. If your logo will be unique and prominently visible, people will stop to that and they'll open your channel and they'll engage with your post. So that is very important. So now we'll move on to the next step, which is content plus post formats. So before you even start inviting people to join your channel, you should first of all make a post, or make few posts. Basically, let's suppose that you have dogs channel, dogs pictures channel. So what you do is like you post a couple of pictures there, some 10 20 pictures, before you actually start inviting people to see and join your channel. So when they come to your channel, they should not get the empty channel that you have just created and they don't know what you're going to share. So put some posts there before you start inviting people to join your channel. The next thing is post format. It is very important because if you're going to just share some text and images or files, you should have actual nice format of your text, I mean your post. So you can add a comments button, you can also add some reactions. So that can be easily done. Let me know if you want a next tutorial on how you can create nice post formats for your Telegram channels or groups. So we'll discuss on that. Now, once we have created the channel, posted some good, nice content in it, the next step is promoting your channel. So we are going to talk about real working solutions, how you can start promoting your Telegram channel. So all the methods that I'm going to tell you about is going to be free of cost. So it won't ask you to put any kind of money in it if you want to promote your channel. So the first thing is going to the online forums. So if you have heard about Quora, which is a very popular website where people come and ask questions. Reddit is another forum where people come and like-minded people discuss on common topics. So what you can do, you can go on Quora and start answering questions related to your subject, like dog's picture, or maybe if it is about technology, so you can write that I share technology tips, and you can invite people to come and check your channel. So let's suppose somebody has asked that how to create a Telegram channel or let's suppose how to um, change the lock screen image of a lock screen wallpaper of Windows 10. So you go and write the answer, and at the bottom you write that I share tips like this in my Telegram channel. So that is how you can do. Likewise, you can go in for Reddit and invite people to do it. But make sure that you read the community guidelines whether you're allowed to share the link or not in on Reddit. So forums are a very nice way. I have practically tested these methods, and it has worked for me, and that is how I have grown my channel. The next way to do is going to the online groups. So again, the same example, if it is about technology channel that you have created, you can go on to several technology related groups, online groups on Facebook or on LinkedIn if you use LinkedIn. So you can go in those groups and you can write there that, hey, I have this channel where I share some important information that can be helpful to you. Please join the following link to see what I share. If it is useful to you, please feel free to subscribe. The next thing we have is other social media. Yes, you can use Twitter, you can use Instagram to promote your Telegram channel. So let's suppose you could post an image there on Instagram, and in that image you say that, hey, I have a Telegram channel. Would you like to join? Please see the link in the bio. Likewise, on through Twitter, you can under certain hashtags which relates to the topic that you share content on in your channel. So you can use those hashtags and post tweets on Twitter with your link. There are some general tips which I guess you guys already know, that you can partner with other Telegram channels, groups, and group admins, and ask them that, hey, I have this Telegram channel or group. Would you like to share advertisement, as in I promote for you, you promote for me in your channel? So that is how people do. I personally don't do that kind of thing because it kind of feels spammy to me. There is another way that you can do. People are these days doing it. I mean, basically there are certain bots. So what you do, you add that bot in your channel, you give it admin rights, and it will start posting advertisement of other people's channel in your own channel. So in others people channel where the same bot is added, it will show your channel's link there. So that is how the advertisements are shared, and people join. It is called cross promotion that people do. So these are some general tips that you will see people advising, but I personally don't go for these general tips. What I advised earlier, those are the tips that So this brings us to the end of this tutorial, and I shared why you should be joining Telegram, why you should be creating your Telegram channel, how you can promote it, and how you can grow it further. If you like the tips, do like and subscribe to this channel, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another video. Thank you so much.